Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm going to show you guys something I didn't even know existed. So this bridge right here is the Doc Brown Bridge. It is currently located at Camp Falling Rock near Lake Pewee at the bottom. This camp is not normally open to the public unless they have like a public event. It's normally just a scout camp. So this bridge was built in 1872. It is called a post truss bridge. Made of iron and wood because although we have a ton of wood in America, with the railroad at the time, burning wood was very easy, and they wanted to find a solution to that. And of course, iron doesn't burn as easily as wood. So this bridge was built in 1872, and until 1925, it stood as a crossing. But then the county it was in, I believe it's Perry County, wanted to replace it. And someone in Hebron, Ohio wanted to use it to fix a road that dead ends, so the road would no longer dead end. Now, there was a commission for this, and it was led by Doc Brown. The bridge was placed on this road, but never used. And in 1931, it apparently got moved to Camp Falling Rock. Now, I went to Camp Falling Rock as a kid. I don't remember ever seeing this bridge being anywhere on camp, so this is a really interesting story to me. Again, I'm getting all my facts off of a little bulletin board over there that the camp put up. So anyway, this in the 1930s, this was placed in Camp Falling Rock, and then it sat wherever it was. They say during a small creek crossing until 2012, when it was apparently restored and placed down here at the bottom of camp. Now, again, this is one of those things where I was here after 2012, and I don't remember this bridge, and it's in a very prime location. It's right next to Lake Pewee. So, I'm a bit confused by all of this. But this is the Doc Brown Bridge, built in 1872. That makes it really old, over 150 years old. Restored in 2012 and placed here apparently. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more. Thanks.